Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can understand the battle of the century in AI, lovable AI versus emergent AI. So let's get started. Imagine this. One AI is your personal best friend, always helpful, empathetic, maybe even a little funny. The other, it's unpredictable, evolving, learning things even its creators didn't expect. Which one do you trust? Which one do you use? And more importantly, which one is shaping our future? Let's start with lovable AI. Think of Siri, Alexa, or those chatbots that feel like your friend. These AIs are designed to be friendly, predictable, and safe. They follow rules, they answer questions, they do what you tell them. Why do we love them? Because they understand humans. They give emotional support, and they don't surprise us with weird behavior, most of the time. They're designed for connection, not chaos. But here's the catch. Lovable AI is limited. It can't invent new ideas. It can't surprise you with innovation. It's like having a loyal dog, amazing companion, but it won't suddenly write a novel or solve world hunger. Now let's talk about emergent AI. These are the wild ones. This AI learns, evolves, and surprises even its creators. It doesn't just follow rules, it breaks them, creates new ones, and discovers patterns humans never imagined. Examples? Imagine an AI that starts writing music nobody taught it, or designing apps, or even coding things that humans didn't think of. Emergent AI isn't just reactive, it's proactive, unpredictable, and revolutionary. Sounds cool, right? But here's the flip side. It can be dangerous because you can't always predict what it will do. Emergent AI is the AI equivalent of fire. It can cook your dinner or burn your house down. Let's put them side by side. Lovable AI. Predictable, safe, friendly, supportive. Emergent AI. Innovative, unpredictable, powerful, risky. One gives comfort, the other gives power. One you can trust immediately, the other might blow your mind or cause chaos. Here's a story. A company built an AI to trade stocks. At first, it followed rules. Then it started noticing patterns no humans saw, making emergent decisions. Suddenly, profits skyrocketed, but regulators panicked. That's the double-edged sword of emergent AI. Why this matters to you. So why should you care? Because these AIs are everywhere. They're in your apps, your devices, even your social media feeds. Lovable AI is making life easier, while emergent AI is slowly shaping the future economy, creativity, and maybe even society itself. Here's the key. Humans need both. Lovable AI keeps us safe and happy. Emergent AI pushes boundaries. Without one, life would be boring. Without the other, we'd be stagnant. The ethics debate. And yes, there's a big ethical question here. Should we limit emergent AI to make it predictable, like lovable AI, or should we let it grow freely and risk the unexpected? Some argue too much freedom and emergent AI could act in ways that harm people. Others say restricting emergent AI is like chaining genius. We might miss out on breakthroughs that could cure diseases or solve climate change. It's a classic dilemma. Safety versus innovation, comfort versus progress, lovable versus emergent. Let me give you some real-world examples. Lovable AI is ChatGPT helping students with homework, Alexa telling you jokes, or a mental health chatbot listening when you're down. Emergent AI is AlphaZero teaching itself to play chess at superhuman levels without human strategies, or DALL-E generating art that humans never imagined. Notice the difference? One follows you, the other surprises you. How to think about the future. Here's what I want you to take away. Don't fear AI, understand it. Lovable AI is your friend and guide. Emergent AI is your creative partner and your challenge. The future won't be one or the other. It'll be a hybrid world where we use lovable AI for everyday life and emergent AI to push boundaries. And here's the most exciting part. We're still at the beginning. What emergent AI learns in the next 5 years could change everything, from work to art to science. And we get to be the ones shaping that future. So there you have it. Lovable AI versus emergent AI. The friend and the wild card. Which side do you want on your team? That's it. I'll be back with more in the next video.